If you ever get a chance to visit China, be sure to try a Honeydew Melon over there. It's smaller, but way sweeter. It's worth a try. Today, we're going to learn how to say honeydew melon or honeydew melons in Chinese. 香瓜. Please repeat after me. 香瓜香瓜香瓜 Now, a little bit faster. 香瓜香瓜香瓜 In this exercise, some honeydew melon is added with the previous fruits. First of all, let's practice how to say some honeydew melon. Please repeat after me. 一些香瓜一些香瓜一些香瓜 Therefore, we're going to practice the following in Chinese. I'm starving. I want to eat an apple, a banana, some grapes, some watermelon, an orange, a peach, some strawberries, some cantaloupe, and some honeydew melon. Delicious. Oh, I'm stuffed. Let's practice in Chinese. The first time, we'll go slowly. Please repeat after me. 饿死我了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，一些草莓，一些哈密瓜和一些香瓜。好吃。撑死我了。Now a little bit faster. Please repeat after me. 饿死我了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，一些草莓，一些哈密瓜和一些香瓜。好吃。撑死我了。I'm gonna read them all together. Please listen carefully. 饿死我了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，一些草莓，一些哈密瓜和一些香瓜。好吃。撑死我了。Now it's your turn. Have fun and practice with emotion. Well done. 好样的。See you tomorrow. 明天见。I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina. or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.